Want to trade trends with momentum, not after the move's done? Let this arrows plus clouds plus curves combo light up entries for you. This strategy merges Ichimoku Kumo, clouds, with Lukas 1 arrows and curves to align long-term trend plus short-term momentum. Ichimoku Kumo gives you the long-term trend. Bullish if Senkou Span A is above Senkou Span B, bearish if reversed. Lukas 1, arrows and curves wraps price in a channel. When price breaks and direction shifts, it plots an arrow for momentum reversal. Buy rule. 1. Kumo is bullish, span a span B. 2. Price plus. Lukas channel sits above the cloud. 3. You see an up arrow from Lukas 1 confirming momentum. 4. Enter long. 5. Place stop loss below a recent swing, low support. 6. Exit when Lukas 1 plots a down arrow. Sell rule. Kumo is bearish, span, a span B, price, plus. Lukas channel below the cloud. Lukas 1 plots a down arrow, enter short. Stop above recent resistance, swing high, exit when an up arrow appears. Momentum can whipsaw you. Wait for the arrow to close, not just appear, before entering. And risk only 1 to 2% per trade. If price hovers inside the Kumo, cloud zone, skip the ambiguity zone. This setup helps you trade with the trend and on momentum flips, cleaner and more decisive. Want the arrows, curves, and clouds indicator, plus ready templates for MT4? Head to forexmt4indicators.com and grab them free now.